Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to truly restore your hair to its healthy, shiny, and smooth glory without endless treatments or salon visits? Well, I may have just found something that could be a game changer in your hair care routine. Today, we're taking a look at the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue plus Night Hair Serum Bundle. This luxury duo is designed to give your hair a deep repair and nighttime protection, especially for those struggling with damaged or dry hair. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to nourish your strands, keep watching. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss out on future beauty tips and reviews. Now, let's dive right in. The Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue and the Night Hair Serum are both designed for all hair types, and they promise to give you that much-needed repair with their potent, high-quality formulas. The Miracle Hair Rescue is a liquid leave-in treatment that provides instant repair, while the Night Hair Serum works its magic overnight to nourish and protect. Both products are vegan, which is a huge plus if you're conscious about the ingredients you put on your hair. The key benefits here are obvious. The Miracle Hair Rescue offers a quick and deep repair treatment, making it perfect for hair that's seen better days, whether from styling damage, heat, or environmental factors. On the other hand, the Night Serum is meant to protect and repair while you sleep. Imagine waking up with hair that's smoother, shinier, and more manageable. It's formulated to work with your natural sleep cycle, deeply hydrating and repairing as you rest. So how did this duo perform in real-life testing? Incorporating both into my nightly routine was seamless. The Miracle Hair Rescue is incredibly easy to apply. You just spray it onto damp hair, and it instantly makes the hair feel softer and more manageable. I was immediately impressed by how lightweight the product felt. There was no sticky or heavy residue, and my hair absorbed it quickly. The scent was pleasant too, not overpowering, but fresh and clean, which is always a bonus. Then there's the Night Hair Serum, which I applied before bed. It's a little thicker than the Miracle Rescue, but still not too heavy. It left my hair feeling nourished, but not greasy, and in the morning, my hair felt significantly softer and looked shinier. I didn't even need to use a lot of other styling products, which is rare for my hair. But let's break it down a little further. Pros: both products are vegan, making them suitable for anyone conscious of the ingredients they use. They're easy to incorporate into your routine with minimal fuss. The scent is light, fresh, and pleasant, and it doesn't linger too long. The Miracle Rescue offers immediate results, making your hair softer and more manageable right away. The Night Serum works well overnight to give hair that shiny, nourished feel by morning. Cons: the price may be a little steep for some, considering that both are premium treatments. The Miracle Rescue is a leave-in product, which might not be ideal for everyone, depending on hair texture, as it's more effective for dry, damaged hair types. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this is a good investment if you're serious about repairing and maintaining your hair. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but if you're dealing with really damaged hair or looking to keep your strands in top shape, it may be worth the price. The combination of both treatments also ensures that your hair gets day and night care. Comparing these products to others in the market, you do see a difference in the quality of ingredients used. Wella is known for high-end, professional-grade formulations, and these products hold up to that reputation. While there are cheaper options available, they might not provide the same deep repair, and they may lack the luxury feel of these treatments. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and well-designed. Both the spray and serum come in sturdy bottles that are easy to use. I also appreciate the practicality of the design. No unnecessary complexity, just effective tools for the job. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely, especially if you struggle with dry, damaged hair and need an effective repair system that works both immediately and over time. For those with normal or healthy hair, it might be a little too much, but it's definitely great for a seasonal hair reset or a deep treatment. Now, if this review helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews and tips. You'll also find the link to purchase these treatments in the comments below. Have you tried Wella's Ultimate Repair line? Or do you have a favorite hair repair treatment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.